Little jostling here. Some animated conversation. Might have been trying to decide who's going to stand where at midfield. So could also be just trying to get in the heads of the opponents as well. All right, Fede Valverde, the revamped Real Madrid player, will be up first. Making sure the keepers understand the rules, the situation, what they're allowed to do, what they can't do. Fede Valverde, in his third Copa America, one goal in this year's tournament, over 60 caps for Uruguay. He's won just about everything with Real Madrid, and taking the first penalty of this quarterfinal round game here in Las Vegas. Well struck. When you hit it with pace and a side netting, it's just about unstoppable. And that's the perfect penalty. When you can place it with precision and pace like that, even when the keeper guesses right, and you can still score, that's the way you take a penalty at the elite level. Militao will try to answer for Brazil. His teammate with Real Madrid just scored. Militao will try to respond. Like Valverde before him, also in his third Copa America. The native of Sao Paulo. Brazil on guessing right, got a good spring off the turf. Maybe not as much to the floor as he would have liked. That's what Valverde did so well. He found the side netting. And Militao just left too much of the ball in the center of the net. So now they're going to need some help from Alisson. Without a miss from Uruguay. Bentancur, who came on as a second-half sub. The Tottenham player. Just so quick. Alisson basically doesn't have a chance to get to it because he runs up so quickly. He didn't stutter step the way that Militao did. He just went after it. And now Andreas Pereira, the 22-year-old from Fulham, who has been with Flamengo and Manchester United. It's still early, but this is a big penalty for Brazil after missing it first. And the stutter step got Rocher leading. Disrupting the rhythm. And Brazil gets their first meet of the penalty sequence. And it'll be Jorge Diaz Canete, the veteran, in his fourth Copa America. Over 50 caps in 10 years with Uruguay. The Flamengo player to keep Uruguay on top. Oh, and he goes up top. Alisson gets right. It takes a lot of nerve to try and roof it like that, but that was a confident strike. Three good ones from Uruguay. And they have the lead.
lead on Brazil. So easy to hit that one over the bar. Vinny Jr. can't bear to watch. He may not get another moment in the Copa America. Suspended for this game. He would be back for the semis of Brazil. Hanging by a thread in their hope to get there. Douglas Luiz now against Roche.
আসমানে জোছনা বিল হয়ে আসমানটা ছাড়া আমার ঘুম পাড়ানি বন্ধু তুমি কোন আসমানের তারা কোন আসমানে জোছনা বিল হয়ে আসমানটা ছাড়া খুনে ধরে কাঁচা বাসে প্রেম বুঝ মনে শোনো নাই দুঃখ দিলা চাইরা নার জীবনে মেঘের মতো মেঘের মতো অন্তরটারে খালি করে করলা দিশা ভরা আমার ঘুম পাড়ানি বন্ধু তুমি কোন আসমানের তারা কোন আসমানের জোছনা বিল হয়ে আসমানটা ছাড়া আমার ঘুম পাড়ানি বন্ধু তুমি কোন আসমানের তারা জল কাঁদে ঢেউে ঢেউে পরাণ কাঁদে জল কাঁদে ঢেউে ঢেউে পরাণ কাঁদে একা ইয়ার সাথে বুক ভাসাইলা অন্তর করে খাখা আমার পাঁজর ভেঙে চুরে হৃদয় থেকে গেলে সরে করলা পাগল পারা আমার ঘুম পাড়ানি বন্ধু তুমি কোন আসমানের তারা কোন আসমানে জোছনা বিল হয়ে আসমানটা ছাড়া আমার ঘুম পাড়ানি বন্ধু তুমি কোন আসমানের তারা
Shot from Ugarte, the 23-year-old from PSG. Pressure mounting, but this can be the shot that delivers Uruguay into the semis. Uruguay is into the final four of the Copa
শাখায় শাখায় ব্যথা ধরে বুকে ফুল ফোটে শাখায় শাখায় ব্যথা ধরে বুকে কি প্রেমেতে মন মাহাতা